My name is Dennis Wolken. I'm one of the owners of Colgate Mattress, which is a baby crib mattress manufacturing company, which my grandfather started over 60 years ago. Our primary focus is making mattresses for babies, and we take our handcrafted quality very seriously here. As far as what goes in the mattress, we've always taken the approach that it's what's on the inside that counts. And by that we mean, if you cut open our mattresses, you'll see we use the highest quality insulators, the highest quality cushioning, and the highest quality inner spring. We also use the highest quality material that's on the outside. And we've been cutting that by hand as well for over 60 years. In fact, Will has been working here for over 45 years. About 10 years ago, we realized we were trying to grow the business and needed some help. We did a lot of research into different kinds of companies and cutting machines, and by far, Pathfinder was the best. This is still a small business, and for a company our size, it was a relatively expensive purchase, and we all had to agree on it, and this is one of the few things we almost instantly agreed on when we saw how it worked, how the technology was, and how easy the software is to figure out. Enabled us to get into new types of products as well as increase the efficiency without cutting any quality from the old hand cuts. And not only that, the service has been spectacular with Pathfinder. The maintenance is very reasonable, it's easy, anybody can understand it. They come in once a year at a reasonable cost to do some basic tune-ups, and I think that machine will last for another 10 years.